I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying what success looks like: revenue lift, retention, or faster support. Next, import your contact list using CSV mapping so fields align correctly. Make sure tags and accounts are consistent. Assign user roles and permissions right away so people see only what they need. Once done, run a small pilot with 5-10 users to validate flows and data integrity. This exposes mapping errors and permission gaps before full rollout. You now build the heart of daily use: the pipelines and automations. Create clear lead-to-opportunity stages and define the exact criteria that promote a record to the next stage. This reduces ambiguity. Then set automations for follow-up reminders, lead scoring thresholds, and email sequences so nothing slips. Make integrations with calendar, email, billing, and support systems. Once integrated, data flows and eliminates duplicate entry, which improves accuracy and team adoption. You launch by training teams with concise, role-specific guides and a live 30-minute session. This accelerates adoption. After launch, monitor key performance indicators like conversion percentage, response time, and pipeline velocity daily so you can spot regressions quickly. If issues arise, use audit logs and data dedupe tools to find inconsistencies, and be ready to roll back the most recent import or automation change. One key tip: always snapshot data before large imports so recovery is immediate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.